A pleasant morning to all. We are the organizers of the 4th Kaglambaga Entrepreneur Summit Business Pitch Competition, and we are here to present to you our event proposal. For the event overview, 4th Kaglambaga Entrepreneur Summit Business Pitch Competition. The Buksu Hospitality Management second year students under HPC for Introduction to My Subject will be organizing the 4th Kaglambaga Entrepreneur Summit with the theme Futurepreneurs Shaping Tomorrow's Business Landscape. The Business Pitch Competition aims to provide a platform for budding entrepreneurs to showcase their innovative ideas and business ventures. For the objectives, first is to facilitate knowledge exchange, provide a platform for COB students to learn from industry experts, successful entrepreneurs, and peers, fostering the exchange of innovative ideas, best practices, and emerging trends in entrepreneurship. Second is to promote networking and collaboration. Create opportunities for COB students to network with like-minded individuals, potential mentors, investors, and industry professionals, facilitating collaborations, partnerships, and mentorship relationships to support their entrepreneurial endeavors. Third is to inspire and empower. Inspire COB students to pursue entrepreneurship as a viable career path by showcasing success stories, entrepreneurial journeys, and cutting-edge innovations, empowering them to harness their creativity, resilience, and leadership skills to shape the future business landscape.
Proposed date. The 4th Kaglambaga Entrepreneurial Summit is scheduled for April 3, 2024 at Wednesday, strategically chosen to accommodate the availability of students who have no classes on that day. Aligning with the COB Day celebration amplifies the event's significance and fosters a sense of community within the College of Business. Expected attendees. The 4th Kaglambaga Entrepreneurial Summit anticipates approximately 44 attendees, including 25 event organizers from College of Business, 15 COB students participating in the competition, 3 judges, and 1 guest speaker.
Vision: to cultivate a thriving ecosystem of innovation and ethical entrepreneurs who will shape the future of business, drive positive change in society, and inspire generations to come. Mission: our mission is to empower aspiring established entrepreneurs with the knowledge, skills, and network needed to succeed in rapidly evolving business landscape. Through dynamic events, educational programs, and collaborative initiatives, we foster a culture of innovation, resilience, and sustainability, equipping individuals to harness their entrepreneurial spirit for the greater good.
SWOT analysis of the 4th Kaglambaga Entrepreneurial Summit. Strengths: strong organizing team. The event benefits from a dedicated team of 21 COB students who are committed to its success, bringing diverse skills and expertise to the planning and execution process. There is also a relevant theme, strategic timing, variety of activities. Weakness: limited outreach. Despite efforts to attract attendees within the COB committee, there may be challenges in reaching students outside of the college who could also benefit from the event. There's also resource constraint, competition with other events, and over-reliance on student organizers. Opportunities. Networking opportunities. The event presents valuable networking opportunities for event attendees to connect with peers, faculty, and industry professionals, fostering potential collaborations and mentorship relationships. There's also partnership opportunities, feedback and improvement, long-term impact. Threats: external disruptions, unforeseen circumstances such as inclement weather, campus closures, or global events could disrupt the event schedule or attendance. There's also competing priorities, budgetary constraints, and technology and logistic issues.
Vessel analysis for the 4th Kaglambaga Entrepreneurial Summit. First, we have is P for political, government regulations, local governance support. Next is the E for economic, budget constraints, sponsorship opportunities. Next is the S for social, student engagement, diversity and inclusion. Next is T for technological, digital infrastructure, tech trends impact. Next is the L for legal, intellectual property rights, health and safety regulations. Last is the environmental, sustainability practice, climate considerations.
Stakeholder involvement and benefits. Key stakeholders involved in the 4th Kaglambaga Entrepreneurial Summit may include COB students. As the primary participants, COB students contribute to the event's success by attending workshops, engaging in networking opportunities, participating in competitions, and actively involving themselves in discussions and activities. Second is faculty and staff. Faculty members and staff play essential roles in organizing and facilitating the summit. They may serve as advisors, mentors, workshop facilitators, panelists, or judges for competitions. Third is industry professionals and entrepreneurs. Industry professionals, entrepreneurs, and business leaders continue to summit by delivering keynote speeches, participating in panel discussion, leading workshops, and providing mentorship and networking opportunities for students.
Customer profile. Gains. Gain 1. Practical insights. Gain 2. Meaningful connections. Gain 3. Inspiration and empowerment. Customer job. Job 1. Seeking knowledge and skills. Job 2. Networking and collaboration. Job 3. Finding inspiration and motivation. Pains. Pain 1. Time and constraints. Pain 2. Financial constraints. Pain 3. Lack of direction.
Value proposition. Gain creators. Number 1. Expert lead workshops. Gain creator 2. Networking opportunities. Gain creator 3. Inspirational content. Products and services. Product and service number 1. Expert lead workshops and panels. Product service number 2. Networking sessions and mentorship opportunities. Product service 3. Inspirational keynote speeches and discussions. Pain relievers. Number 1. Flexible scheduling. 2. Affordable access. Number 3. Guided resources.
Event requirements, facilities for the 4th Kaglambaga Entrepreneurial Summit, 2 main venues were utilized. The COB Quadrangle for speaker seasons 4 and the COB accreditation room for the pitching competition. The COB Quadrangle serving the primary venue for speaker session requires spacious seating arrangement and will be equipped stage area with audiovisual capabilities to accommodate presentation and interaction with attendees. Services for the 4th Kaglambaga Entrepreneurial Summit, crucial services such as event coordination and management, technical support and security for attendees, and speaker were essential. These services involve planning, organizing, and executing various aspects of the summit, ensuring the smooth operation and safety of the event.
Production. For the 4th Kaglambaga Entrepreneurial Summit, various production aspects are necessary to create a visual, appealing, and engaging environment for attendees. This includes stage design, which involves creating a professional and functional stage setup conducive to speaker presentation and panel discussion. Decorations are used to enhance the overall ambience and theme of the event. Additionally, promotional items such as a poster and Facebook reels can be distributed online to attendees to further promote the event and provide valuable information to winners.
Legal and insurance. As for the invitation letter for guest speakers and judges, it should include details about the event, such as the date, time, venue, theme, and purpose of the summit. The letter should extend a formal invitation to the recipient, expressing appreciation for their expertise and contribution to the event. It should also outline any specific rules or responsibilities they will have, such as delivering a keynote speech, participating in panel discussions, or judging competitions. Marketing and communication plan. For the 4th Kaglambaga Entrepreneurial Summit, marketing and communication effort primarily centered around the event Facebook page, where regular updates engaging content and targeting advertising campaigns were deployed to promote the summit theme's future keynotes, shaping tomorrow's business landscape. Consistency in messaging and branding was ensured across all channels, including word of mouth referrals and collaboration with students, organizations, and industry partners.